12 must-have car gadgets that are worth buying. Do you want a gadget that you can use to sleep in your car? Or would you like to see a cheap LED strip that moves with high-quality music? Sounds interesting? Well, if you watch this video till the end, I will tell you everything you need to know about these cool car gadgets. In today's video, I will be showing you the 12 must-have car gadgets that are worth buying. So guys, if you want to support the channel, please like the video and make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you won't miss out on any new videos. Without further ado, let's start. Hudley Wireless. Hudley is your key to less driving stress. The use of a smartphone while driving leads up to 1.6 million crashes each year in the US. But the device is also critical when you're lost in an unknown city or need to answer your boss. Existing GPS and phone mounts try to provide safer solutions, but the driver still has to look away from the road to use them. A split second is all it takes for an accident to occur. The head-up display that lets you access critical driving info by wirelessly casting it into your line of sight. Cast your smartphone app of choice or navigate with the free Hudley app, optimized for use on a HUD. Connect optional smart modules so car diagnostics like speed, RPMs, and fuel levels can be displayed. The Car AIDE. This handy multi-tool can not only provide a jump start for your car, it can also charge your mobile device, serve as a flashlight, and has a burglar alarm. The Car AIDE might even save your life. It can be used to break a window in the event of an underwater emergency and has a seatbelt cutting blade. It should fit easily in most glove boxes, but also features a magnet so it can stick to metal surfaces to keep it from rolling around in the trunk. Staying prepared when hitting the road is essential, but often means keeping a multitude of different accessories on hand, which is something the Car AD aims to change. The Ford Locking Wheel Nut. 3D printing additive manufacturing offers design flexibility to help reduce weight, improve performance, and create parts that wouldn't be possible using conventional methods. For more than 30 years, Ford has increasingly used 3D printing to make prototype parts, which help reduce the development time for new vehicles. The company has also used this technology to create parts that feature in the Ford GT, Focus, and Mustang GT500, and will make more 3D printed parts in the future. Ford also creates 3D printed safety equipment, such as protection sleeves for rotating tools used on the production line, which prevent operators from incurring finger and arm injuries. The Thinkware U1000. Capture sharp detailed footage in 4K native UHD, or switch to 2K quality at 60 frames per second to make license plate reading a breeze with the new and improved 42 megapixel image sensor video coverage with the 150-degree viewing angle, so you will never miss a moment. The Thinkware U1000 DOS reduces noise and enhances image quality in low-light conditions. It improves the reliability of your Thinkware memory card by minimizing the risk of lost footage due to bad blocks and data corruption. 1-year quality assurance is only valid when purchased from an authorized reseller. The RapidX X5 Plus. Introducing the new X5 Plus by RapidX. It is the upgraded and more efficient edition of the X5. On-the-go charging is made simpler and accessible for up to 5 passengers. Built upon the same compact and sleek design, the X5 Plus features a color-accented rubberized finish, in addition to the signature blue-black combination from the original X5. The X5 Plus takes flexibility to the next level with an enhanced 3-port detachable hub. Now, front seat passengers can charge their devices using the USB charger, tangle-free. The Mobileye 8 Connect. Mobileye's advanced driver assistance systems technology is deployed in more than 65 million vehicles today and is integrated into hundreds of new car models from the world's major automakers, including Audi, BMW, FCA, General Motors, Honda, Hyundai, Kia, Nissan, Volkswagen, and more. Mobileye began with the vision of reducing vehicle collisions and resulting injuries and fatalities. Today, Mobileye makes one of the most advanced collision avoidance systems on the market, while working toward autonomous driving and the coming autonomous mobility as a service revolution in road safety. The THEEI CarView. Featured with super high-resolution front recording, 2.5K, and adopts Sony IMX335 Starvis, plus 6G cam lens. The THEEI CarView 3 Mirror Dash cam will deliver crystal clear video recordings doctor's image, while driving at daytime and capture more details at night with enhanced night vision and wide dynamic range. Sensitive full touch screen will bring you the most enjoyable visual experience. It can also be the original mirror when the screen display turns off. Broad field view with both 170 degree of the front and rear cam. The dash cam can help you reduce blind spots and make sure that your driving experience is as safe as it can be. The digital side view monitors. The system replaces conventional door mirrors with compact, external, high-resolution cameras linked to in-car monitors. These provide an enhanced view of the area behind and immediately alongside the vehicle in all driving conditions, reducing or eliminating the driver's blind spots and adapting automatically to give an extended view when the car is turning or reversing. The ergonomic design of the system allows the view around the car to be checked with less left-right head movement, in line with Lexus's aim of reducing the driver's workload. The two 5-inch color monitors are positioned at the base of the front pillars, closely aligned to the door mirror height, so they fall within the driver's intuitive line of sight. The digital tire pressure gauge, designed to maintain correct tire pressure, reduce tire wear, and extend tire life. The digital display reading instantly and clearly being shown, no longer do the guesswork of analog gauges. Nozzle easily forms a seal with the valve stem, giving quick and accurate, simply press on or off button to turn on the tool, select the range, and automatically shut off in 30-40 seconds to save the power. Non-slip texture makes it easy to hold on to, and the ergonomic design is both suitable for men and women's hands. The car LED strip. The car LED strip is made out of high-quality material. The strip uses a wattage of 10 watts. Its ultra-thin design makes it easy for you to hide it under your seat or door. The high LED strip can interact with music and is water-resistant. The strip fits all cars from SUV, vans, trucks, and more. It allows you to enjoy the fun with the color changing following your music rhythm as well as your voice. You can change color modes in different conditions as you like. The windshield repair kit. Rain-X windshield repair kit helps you minimize the appearance and stop the spread of chips and cracks in your windshield. It removes air from the brake, fills it with durable resin, and makes it even stronger than before. For the best results, repairs should be made as soon as possible after the damage occurs and before the brake is contaminated by dirt or water. So make sure to get this tool and get back on the road safely. The in-vehicle sleeping system. This unique mobile sleeping system is great for many situations. The all-American outdoor experience was the idea of visionaries like President Theodore Roosevelt. This campaign is an opportunity to promote and strengthen America's tradition of outdoor recreation on public, gaining independence, enjoying the freedom of nature without the risk and uncomforted insecurity and cost of hotel rooms. No more bugs, scary noises, and uncomfortable surfaces while camping with the in-vehicle sleeping system. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.